Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a code on your iPhone using the PlayStation app. So if you're at Walmart or something and you got a code and you want to go in and type it in, maybe it's not working on your PlayStation 5 or maybe you're away. Well, go to the App Store and go to search in the bottom right and type in PlayStation app and make sure you get this application if you have a PlayStation. PlayStation app right here. Click this, open it up, sign in with your email address and password associated with your PlayStation 5. Then on the way bottom, tap the little icons, and we want to go to the PlayStation Store. Now, next to the heart symbol, there's going to be three horizontal lines. Select that. Then we want to go to Redeem Code and type in that little voucher code that you got. So it says enter 12-character voucher code here and redeem it. So type in whatever you got. Could be some random thing I'm just typing in. This is not a code. Don't type it in. And then go to Done and try to redeem it. Now, if you have like, I don't know, maybe like a $30 gift card, you should be able to add it to your account now. And then you should be able to see under, I don't know, maybe your subscription management would be your PlayStation. We can go to payment methods and we can just look under there. Otherwise, we can go up to settings right here. And we can try looking for an option to see if that was added on here, like account information. Otherwise, we can go back to the store page and we can just put something in our cart. We should be able to see it then there too. So if we click on a game, add it to our cart, we should be able to see the funds in our wallet. So just add to the cart and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.